Hello YouTube, this is Sonic Joshua 24 again. I'm going to make this very easy and simple. Okay. Okay, this is a question like about Windows Explorer. Well, not Internet Explorer, although it is open, but it's like, but I'm talking about the actual Explorer taskbar. Oops. And you notice I have Xpatter open right there. Alright. Where's that? Okay, I'm just wondering why Windows does this with every game. But I opened up Rigs of Rods. And I was in multiplayer mode. That. And then I'll adjust them. Do that. I was pressing my Xbox 360 controller. And this is what happens. Something happens to my desktop. Now, I have response from my taskbar. My taskbar works. And Windows Internet Explorer opens up. Now, I can even but when I click on some other program, the taskbar freezes for some reason. And the desktop freezes. But I can always reboot Windows Explorer. So I don't even have to reboot like the other people had to do. And there, it comes back up quickly. But I'm wondering why. And it does eventually come back to unfreezing. It just takes a while to actually unfreeze. Like, but it does this with every game. I recently got a game too. Let's see. It's a Sonic fan game. What is it? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now I put it into full screen. Okay. Now we exit the game. And it comes up in a different way, but it still acts the same. It's still got, I can still control Internet, Windows Explorer, I can still click on stuff. But when I do this, go back, it tends to freeze up. And I can use the taskbar to open up Internet Explorer, but then when I click on something else like Windows Media Player, it freezes. And Windows Explorer is still like that. But then, once in a while, it does that. Exactly. It does exactly that. I was just about to get around to saying it unfreezes. And then it goes, and then it works properly. It's a weird bug. I don't know what type of problem this is. And I'm using this Mac unedited because I want to get this problem fixed as fast as possible. And this is coming from my laptop. That's a 64-bit running Windows 7. It's it's got a Intel Core TM i5 CPU, M43, 2.27 gigahertz, 2.27 gigahertz. It says that twice for some reason. Okay. Installed memory, 8 gigabytes, 7.86, no, 7.80 gigabytes usable due to the fact that the system is using it. And 64-bit system, HP Pavilion DV7, notebook PC. That's my laptop right there. That's the laptop. Yeah. And, well, basically what's going on is that situation is happening, and I don't know how to fix it. It's working fine now. But it's like tends to do that in a game or whatever takes up full screen. Except for Windows Media Player. That doesn't make Windows Explorer freeze up. It's more like, I guess maybe it involves when the resolution is changed. Like maybe, let's go to Control Panel, and let's see, Display. Now, let's adjust the resolution to this. And then I do that. And I think Windows Explorer, yeah, I just noticed Windows Explorer froze a tiny bit, but then resumed back to normal. Then it resets. And it freezes. Yeah, it definitely freezes. Okay, it's a resolution problem. And eventually, I'm not going to restart this system. But I can still control this window right here. Windows Explorer may have frozen, but I can still control this, and let's see, click this and open this. Like, I can still open a file, but then when I do that, like something like change the directory or go back a directory, it then freezes. And then it unfreezes when it finally, and then it opens Internet Explorer again because I clicked Internet Explorer. I'm just trying to get this problem fixed, and plus I don't have many programs actually on. Barely. All these icons are just programs I pinned onto the taskbar. And on the systems tray, I only have, I have Avast running, Wi-Fi, sound speakers, voice recognition, and Simple Pass identity protection, the Bluetooth, and that's pretty much it. Other than it showing the internet and the battery. And the battery wouldn't take up much process. It just shows the battery percentage. But it's like it's just a simple freezing problem. Windows Explorer works completely perfect, but when I exit a game or change the resolution, I seem to get a freezing problem. Now, I'm not sure if it's because of the monitor or if it's because of Windows. Now, when I changed the resolution to a smaller resolution, Windows Explorer was frozen more or less than I expected to be frozen when it reset. So basically, and sorry about this long video, but I'm still trying to, but I'm just confused. So if anyone knows how to fix this, I would really appreciate it. And that way I'll be able to enjoy my games. Well, I already enjoy them, but like enjoy Windows Explorer immediately without having that problem. And it's like so hopefully someone out there on YouTube or on the internet can help. And if you have the same problem, um, like, like the your Windows Explorer freezing up like that, you should probably like send a comment on this video saying that I have the same problem, and maybe we could try to work together and find a solution for that. I mean, Windows still works and all that, but it gets pretty annoying that that kind of thing keeps happening. Now, I'm just not sure if it's the monitor or Windows itself. That's what, like, but all I know is that, like, it's coming from games, like, games that change the resolution, basically. Like, resolution change. So that's basically the issue, is, like, different resolution, but Windows keeps freezing in that in this certain resolution for some reason. So, and I'm using this and I'm using my Mac to talk a lot, like, so I hope someone will be able to help me out on this, and hopefully it will solve it. If you have any ideas, you can put in a comment, and I'll do like a step-by-step, like if you know how to do it like step-by-step, then like that would be good. But like, don't be saying, oh, you need the registry checked out or something, or like you need to get a registry scanner or something, because then that would cost money, and I don't want to be wasting my money on something that I'm just looking to fix a stupid problem like that. That's a very small problem that fixes itself either when I restart it or by waiting. So that's the only thing. So hopefully there is a solution to this problem, and I'm also still working on Eggman's Ghost, the